Exercise 4a. First question is convert the following fractions in their lowest terms. So lowest term, as you know that you have to reduce. So first is 3.75. How you can write this 3.75? In this, after decimal you are having two places. So it will be like 375 upon 100. Clear? Now both are divisible by 5. So 5 7 ja 35, 2 remaining, this 5 will become 25, 5 5 ja 25, then 5 2 ja 10 followed by 0, 5 15 ja 75, 5 4 ja 20. So answer is 15 by 4. Further you can't reduce this. So like this you have to solve question number 1. One more question I am solving, 8.025. You can write this as 8025 upon 1000. Why I am writing 1000 in denominator? Because after decimal I am having 3 places. So now reduce this. So 5 1 ja 5, 3 remaining, this 0 will become 30, 5 6 ja 30. Now this 2 is not divisible, so 5 0 ja 0, then this 25 will be like 5 5 ja 25, 5 2 ja 10, 5 0 ja 0, 5 0 ja 0. Clear? Now we are having 1605 divided by 200. So further 5 3 ja 15, 1 remaining, 0 will become 10, 5 2 ja 10, 5 1 ja 5. Divide by 5 to 4 ja 20 followed by 0. So 321 upon 40 is required answer. So like this you have to solve question number 1. You have to reduce. Then in question number 2, convert into decimal fractions. So first one question is 2 4 by 5. So 2 5 ja 10, 10 plus 4 14, 14 by 5. So 14 by 5 into 2 by 2, because 5 I am having in denominator and I can make this 5 as 10. For that I have to multiply 2. So 14 2 ja 28 divided by 5 2 ja 10. 1 0, that means I will start from last. So one jump I have to make, so 2.8. After decimal 1 place and 1 0. Number of zeros should be equals to number of place after decimal. So 2.8 is required answer. Second one is 79 by 100. So directly you can write 0.79. Third one is 37 by 10,000. Clear? So 4 zeros are there. That means after decimal you will have 4 place. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Clear? Then one more question, 7543 divided by 10 to power 4. 10 to power 4 means what? 1 2 3 4. How many zeros are there? 4 zeros are there. So simply from this 1 2 3 4. So 0.7543. 4 zeros are there and after decimal 4 place. Clear? So like this you have to solve question number 2. Then question number 3. In question number 3 you have to write number of decimal places. Second question, 7.00349. In this question, after decimal you are having how many places? 1 2 3 4 5. So you have to write that 5 places after decimal. Clear? Then last question, 0.000879. How many places are there? Simply after decimal 3 and 3 6. So you will write 6 places having. So like this you have to solve question number 3. Then question number 4. Write the decimals as word statements. It's very easy. How you can write this? 0. I am solving here third. 0.02. Then next one is 0.56. So 0.56. The next is 13.06. So write 13.06. Like this you have to solve question number 4. In word statements you have to write. Clear? Then last one is convert the given fractions into like fractions. Before that, like fractions you know very well. That like fraction means what? After decimal you will have same number of places. As you can see in this examples, after decimal you are having only one place. So these all are like decimals. Sorry, this is decimal, by mistake I have written fraction. Decimal. Now the first one question I want to solve. 0.5, 3.62, 43.981, 232.0037. So what you have to do, simply you have to find the digit or the value which is having most decimal places. In this you are having one decimal place after decimal, in this you are having two decimal places, in this you are having three, in this you are having four, and this one is maximum. So you have to write this as it is, no changes. Clear? Now after decimal you are having four places, but what about this? We are having three places here, so write 43.981, then add 0. Now as you can see you are having four places. Then what about this? Only two places? Don't worry, 6200. What about this? Only one place? Don't worry, 5000. Now you can see in all examples, in all values you are having equal decimal places. Clear? So by this way you are supposed to convert the given values, given decimals, into like decimals. By mistake it is like fraction is given.